Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM card into this phone. Now, before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. It might look a little bit different than this, which will be required to pop out the SIM tray. Now, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well, but the tool should be provided with the device. Now, once you have one of those, you can take off a case if you have one on your phone, and the tray is located at the bottom of the device, as you can see right over here. Find the insert pin, which is the furthest or closest to the edge of the phone corner. Push the pin in, and as you will see, the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to just yank it out. And on the tray you have space for a SIM card on this side, and SIM or nano memory, which nano memory is basically an SD card, but made stupid by HUAWEI. So they engineered a SD card that is the same size as the SIM tray or SIM card, and they're the only one that use it. So I don't have it, so I'm not gonna really show you how to put it in, but it goes the same way as a SIM card would go in. So just slap it in here. Now I'll mention that nano memory goes only on one side, which you can define by the writing in here. You can see it says, it gives you this shape of a card, and then in there it's written NM for nano memory. So that's the only place you would place your nano memory card, or obviously you can also plop in a SIM card here. From there we can pop it back into our phone. There we go. And the card is already working. It's giving me reception, as you can see, so that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.